Sir, before that,
Yeah, now I am recording it.
okay, sir. Sir, I have a request to you. Can I make?
Pardon? You want to come on video or on? Is it
No,
okay
sir.
with audio?
It's okay with audio, sir.
Okay, very good, excellent.
I can come video as well. There is no issue.
Yeah, I mean your internet speed may not be good, no?
Uh, Maybe, sir. That's why it may fluctuate in between.
Okay, even now the sound is having some problem. It is not coming clearly. Doesn't matter. We will proceed like this.
Is it fine right now, sir?
We'll proceed like this. Now, Raj Gupta, your interview is going to be on which date?
Sir, please, sorry for the interruption. Just give me 30 seconds, sir. I will reconnect it to the Wi-Fi. Maybe it will be sound better.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay,
Okay, sir. Please give me 30 seconds.
okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible now, sir?
Yeah, now you are audible. Now it is okay. Good. It is
Okay.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, Raj Gupta, your interview
Yes,
is going to be on which date?
that's part of me.
Very good. In Bengaluru?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, can you please tell me about yourself briefly?
Sure, sir. Sir, as you know, my name is Raj Gupta. I belong to Dhanbad, a city of Jharkand. Uh, for the last 4 years, I'm living in Delhi. Sir, as far as my educational background is concerned, I have completed my bachelor's in accountancy honors from Vinod Bhave University and my master's in economics from Indira Gandhi National Open University. Sir, as far as my strength is concerned, uh, I have good interpersonal skills. I'm a proactive and a calm person by nature. I am honest. I'm hardworking and have a very good work ethic, sir. Sir, as far as my hobby is concerned, sir, I love to listen audiobooks and podcasts in my leisure time. That helps me improve my awareness about the various spheres of life. Sir, I'm also a fitness enthusiastic person. I also love to travel, although I got a few opportunities to do so, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. So, you said you belong to Dhanbad.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us some of the important characteristics of Dhanbad or some of the industries, some of the important places in Dhanbad?
Sure, sir. Sir, Dhanbad is also well known as the coal capital of our country. Sir, the coal that is extracted from the Dhanbad is of high quality. That is of coal, coking coal, that is called. Sir, in Dhanbad, there is a one national institute of reputation is IIT, ISM is there, which is especially in dealing in mining sector, and also as it is IIT, it has various domains. Sir, in Dhanbad, for the places to go, we have Birsa Munda Park and Sir Toop Chachi Jheel and Northern Dam. That is considered as a lifeline when it comes to water in that particular area. So,
Good. Now, you studied after commerce, you studied economics.
yes, sir.
What is the special reason for choosing economics?
Sir, after completing my graduation in accountancy honors, sir, I need to take a break of 1.5 years due to some financial hardship at my home. In that between, sir, I also get interacted with so many person. With their help, I got to know about the banking, and then I start developing the habit, sorry, interest in the banking. By knowing them, I started follow newspapers, and then slowly, gradually, I get more inclined to economics. That's why, sir, I chose economics from Indira Gandhi National Open University. At that time, sir, it gave me also flexibility to support my family in their sole proprietorship business, and also I can pursue my higher studies further.
So what is inflation as far as economists are concerned? What is inflation?
Sir, inflation is a situation in which the prices, general price level of the goods and services increases, whereas the purchasing power of our currency is reduced at the same time. Sir.
Mhm.
That is
Okay.
inflation.
So what is the position of inflation in our country as of March 2023?
Uh, Sir, if we look at the CPI data of month of March, sir, it is at 5.66%. Sir, it is within the RBI tolerance level of inflation, that is 4%, plus minus 2% on either side. Although it is on their manageable band, but RBI is still trying hard to make it further on a lower side, sir.
Okay. Now, how Reserve Bank of India is controlling inflation?
Sir, Reserve Bank of India is controlling inflation through its monetary policy tools like bank rate, uh, reserve reserve rate, their policy rate, open market operation, sometimes in qualitative measures. It also uses margin requirements sometimes, and sir, with these ratios, they are trying to control the inflation in our country.
Can you tell me how Reserve Bank is managing inflation using a repo rate?
Yes, sir. When Reserve Bank of India feels that there is a higher liquidity in our country as per the requirement, so it increases the repo rate so that it affects the lending capability of the bank. So by that means, the RBI is trying to control the inflation because it hampers the credit creation of credit lending facility of that bank. Sir. And credit
Hmm.
is becoming more costly to the borrower, and finally it results in less borrowing from the bank by the general people.
Mhm. Good. Now,
Thank you, sir.
tell us about your family.
Sir, my family consists of 13 members, sir. Uh, uh, the head of my family is mother. My father is Momo.
Hmm.
I am four brothers, including me. All are elders to me. I'm the youngest in my family. All three brothers are sir, married. They have their two children, and the brother that is eldest to me have a one children. Sir. The first
Hmm.
two are doing business in sole proprietorship form, and the brother that is eldest to me, he is working in a co-post limited that is in Noida. Sir.
Okay. Now, are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir, I'm willing to be posted anywhere in India. As I have applied at the Karnataka Bank PO post, sir, I know it's a officer level post. The first requirement is that when we become a bank in any bank, we are supposed to be transferred at any places as per the discretion of bank and their requirements.
Hmm.
So I have no issues with the posting. Sir. I am able to relocate anywhere in the India.
Mhm. 1 minute.
So, sir.
Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, I have an account in Bank of India, sir.
Bank of India. Acha, acha.
Yes.
Where is the headquarters of Bank of India?
Sir, it is in Mumbai.
What is the difference between Bank of India and Karnataka Bank?
Sir, Bank of India is a public sector undertaking. It's a nationalized bank. Karnataka Bank is a private sector bank. The sir, other difference is that in Bank of India, the majority of shareholding is lying with the government of India, and sir, in Karnataka Bank, the majority of shareholder are lying with the individual people, sir. Sir, in public sector, sir, I can say the FDI in limit is capped at 20%, and in the case of the private sector banking, the sir 49% of the FDI is approved for automated route. But if we want to go for the 74% of stake, and then they need to go with the government clearances. As far as sir, my view, both banks are doing well in their respective area. The NPA levels of both the banks are slightly lower on the lower side. So
For
the
this,
future of the Indian banking is
no, for
fine,
this
sir.
question, you don't have to tell so many points. Simply tell Bank of India is a public sector bank. Karnataka
Okay,
Bank is a private sector bank. That will do.
okay, sir.
Can you please tell me what all you know about Karnataka Bank?
Sure, sir. So Karnataka Bank is a leading A-class private sector bank. So its headquarters is in Mangaluru, Karnataka, sir. So Karnataka Bank has a total employee strength of 8,500 and more. So its total branches is 930 plus. So it has been penetration in the 22 states of our India and two union territory. So recently, Karnataka Bank has achieved a total business of approximately 1,48,500 crore, and has made their targets for the 2023 and 24 for 1.75 lakh of their total businesses. They are aspiring for there.
No, no,
So Karnataka,
I think you are not telling correctly. The total business figure, what did you say? 1 lakh?
48,600
No,
approximately. Sir.
no. Just a minute.
Sorry, I'm extremely sorry, sir. 1,48,600. That is approximately I'm telling, sir.
Just a minute.
So,
I have posted a video also on that.
I have gone through this, sir. But right now I'm not able to recall the exact figure. That's why I'm asking for that approximate. Sir.
Just hold on.
So, sir.
Now, just a minute, because I'm not able to see the paper, because I have given it in.
Our Telegram channel as well.
Yeah,
Sir.
it is there. Telegram में भी दिया है. Karnataka
Yes,
Bank.
sir.
Of course, that much very good. Your figure is correct. Total turnover stood at 1,48,694 crore, of which deposits stood at 87,000 crore, and advances 61,000 crore. Good, very good. What was the CASA deposit percentage?
Sir, it's approximately 33%, sir.
Good. So why banks are keen on having more of CASA deposits?
Sir, CASA account stands for current account and saving account balance, sir. As we all know that, sir, it's a cheap sources of funds for the any bank. Sir, as we all know, in saving bank account, Karnataka Bank is giving an interest rate of 2.75%, whereas in current account, we don't need to pay any interest to the consumer. That's why, sir, it is one of the cheapest source of funds through which a bank can get a lot of money. That's why, sir, every bank is trying more and more to go for CASA in their total deposits, sir.
What do you know, sir? What is your idea regarding the job role of a probationary officer?
Sir, basically, sir, a probationary officer is like a bridge between the clerical staff and the manager in that particular branch, sir. Probationary officer is supposed to supervise the works of their clerk and helping their manager to accomplish their target given by their higher authority, sir. A bank you must have a good interpersonal situation handling capacity. He must have great work ethics. He must be punctual, honest, and stress management capacity should be at the best. So
Good.
that's all.
Okay. Now, what is the latest current affair news you are remembering?
Sir, recently 2 or 3 ago, Rajasthan government has come up with a social security net for gig workers, sir. And sir, 2 days ago, I think, sorry, sir, 2 days ago, Jharkand government has come with the facility of air ambulance services to their public state people. Sir, RBI has stated that, sir, in Jan Dhan account, the total deposited as on 31st 3 2023 stands at approximately 1.99 lakh crore, of which 4.03 crore account is with zero balance. Sir.
Okay. Now, what is the news about Karnataka?
Sir, the main news is that the Karnataka, there is an election is going to be happen on 3rd of March, sir.
So, 3rd of?
Sorry, sir, 10th of May. I'm extremely sorry, sir.
Yeah. Now, which are the two major parties participating in it?
Sir, one is BJP and second is the DMK.
So, what is UAE, expansion of UAE?
Sir, United UAE.
United Arab Emirates.
Emirates, yes, sir. United Arab Emirates, yes, sir.
So there is a news about India in terms of logistic performance. In terms
Yes,
of
sir.
logistic performance, India has improved its performance or backed up in its performance.
Sir, India has improved, has shown improvement in their position, sir.
Very good.
It stands at a position of 38.
Good. Who is the minister in charge of, say, management of wetlands and all that in the union ministry? Wetlands.
Sorry, sir, that I need to update actually.
What is Union Minister Bhupender Yadav? Which ministry is he holding? Bhupender Yadav. He is the minister in charge of this wetlands and all. He has told wetlands often get neglected as public goods and entire society needs to come together to protect these ecosystems. Now,
Okay, sir.
what is importance of today in regard to Prime Minister's address to nation? What is importance of thing happening on 30th April 2023 in radio, television, and all that?
Sir, can I guess?
Yeah,
Sir, I think the PM Modi speech "Mann Ki Baat" has reached to the 100
very,
crore of people.
very good. 100th episode of Man Ki Baat or Man Ki Baat.
Yes.
उसका बारे में थोड़ा सीख लीजिए. What is Man Ki Baat? Through which mode was it being communicated? In the
Sir,
100th.
that is I am aware of. Can I express, sir?
Yeah, please tell.
Sir, Mann Ki Baat is the episode launched by the Honorable PM Narendra Modi, uh, uh, in which they touch the various aspects of a person, be it sometimes exams, sometimes general hygiene, sometimes uh, issues related to sanitation, hygiene, women problem, and possibly he tried to cover the each and every aspect of a person's life in that Mann Ki Baat.
Good. Who is the External Affairs Minister?
Sir, Mr. S. Jaishankar.
He is joining Indian diaspora and friends in United States of America for listening to 100th episode of Man Ki Baat.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Where is Defense Minister now?
Sir, he is in Delhi.
Acha. He is likely to go on official visit to which place? Which country? Maldives. Is
Okay, sir.
Defense Minister Rajnath Singh set to embark on a 3-day official visit to Maldives today. I think he is he is now in Maldives probably. Can you tell me something about G20? What all you know about G20?
So G20 is an elite group of 19 countries and one that is of European Union. Sir, G20 consists of a GDP of 85% of the world GDP, and sir, 75% of total trade, and the total population is of two-thirds of the world. Sir. So the member country of these G20 is one of the influential, I can say, and the country that has more GDP power, I could say, sir. And so they are one of the most influential economies in the entire world, sir. G20 focuses on a lot more issues that are presently our world is facing, that is of climate changes, Russia-Ukraine war, and like all other threats.
Good, very good. You have been answering very well. No problem. So please tell me who is the Finance Minister of Jharkhand?
Sir, it is Mr. Rajeshwar Orao.
Okay. Who is the Governor of Jharkhand?
Sir, Mr. Radha Krishna.
Yeah. Then how will you explain fishing? P-H-I-S-H-I-N-G.
Okay, sir. So that I am not sure, but I can guess, sir, if you allow.
Yeah.
Sir, phishing is an attack. Actually, it is an electronic attack in which the fraudulent person is supposed to turn out to be a genuine person and trying to defraud the person. Like he's behaving like that. He is the original person, but he is not the original person. He is
Okay.
acting as the original, and he's frauding the person.
Okay. What is the present repo rate?
The present repo rate is 6.5%, sir.
So when is the repo rate last revised?
Sir, sir, last time it was revised in
In
February
February.
itself.
February.
Okay, sir. Okay,
In
okay.
February
As
it
per
was
sir, there is
revised.
no change.
February it was revised. In
Yes, sir.
April it was not revised.
Yes, sir.
Can you name 3 southern states, their capitals and their chief ministers?
I can try, sir. The first is Karnataka. Their capital is Bangalore, and the CM is Basavaraj Bommai. The second is Kerala. The capital is Thiruvananthapuram, and the CM is P. P. Vijayaran, something like that. I'm
Mr.
extremely sorry, sir.
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Yes, sir. Pinarayi Vijayan. Sorry
Okay.
for the pronunciation, sir. And sir, third is, I guess, third is that I'm unable to recall right now, sir.
Who is the chief minister of Tamil Nadu?
MK Stalin, sir. Mr.
Capital?
MK Stalin. Chennai. Sorry, sir.
What? Chennai is the capital, correct?
Yes, sir. Tamil
Chennai
Nadu,
is the
but Chennai
capital.
is
Yeah. Then Telangana, Chandrasekhar Rao, Hyderabad. Then Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Then that Reddy Garu, some Reddy. Okay.
yes, sir.
Very good.
YSR Reddy, I guess.
Excellent. Can you name the president and vice president of India?
Yes, sir. And the president of our country is Honorable Ma'am Drupadi Murmu, and sir, Vice President is Honorable Mr. Jaideep Dhankar.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you. You did well.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Best wishes. Bye.